It's the ultimate test of steady hands and focus. Players must move a ball from one cone to another across the room without dropping it. Simple. But all we will have are 4 pens, and 3 people are going to join me. 3 people are going to join me, and we can't flap. Are they in this morning? What we're supposed to say is what up, Optima. Let's go.
By the way, that team they lose.
Yep.
Hold on now. Let me introduce my team. Your name?
No.
Venicia.
Tanya Gilzian.
Tanya.
Ariela.
We can't lose. Just the name alone.
We name Optima, one team. Let's go, guys. After we win, we tell them who we are. So over here, come here, cause you're yes. And today, Les, arms are longer. I'm gonna.
We can't see nothing still.
It's all right. We're going over slowly. Yes. I got you on this side. Don't worry. Can you see?
Yes, man. Our time. Thank you very much. We have our own ball. We're not using your ball.
Never. Could you allow my team to move from the space before? Oh my God! Come along, Optima. Come along, Optima.
Where my team?
Come along, Optima.
First, which side is bigger?
No, we don't want that ball. We're okay.
And hold it, but hold it closer.
You see, them have over there discuss.
It takes time, not to worry.
Pythagoras theorem. Today. The game have finished today.
Ariela, don't play with me.
Hey, it dropped already.
No,
it dropped already.
It don't drop.
Clive, it dropped already. It didn't even move from the table. Watch out.
Come now.
Yeah.
Come now.
Yeah, it 2 times.
Well, I hear somebody say we are going to have friction.
When ready, 1, 2, 3. Optima. Come up to my focus.
First thing, we will never reach this top. Now bring it right to us.
Soldier, we can't do that because we have to hold the thing from different angles. Don't get nervous. Come. Pressure. Apply the pressure. Yes. Keep that pressure. Keep that pressure!
Yes. Thank you very much. We're not cheating.
We're getting there. We moved a little bit closer, right? No worry. Uncle never team not passing the table. See that? Watch it. Now pass the table. Now pass the table. Them not even going to get it off of the cone.
Yeah.
Now pass the table.
No, we're not sure.
Now,
right, come.
No, man. Curacao going to reach a World Cup before them there. No. Optima. You know, say me want a vibes now, man. We're for March. We don't have the vibes, so that's why we now win. Ready? Let's go. Optima.
Only thing I nice win is not to make the most nice, you know.
Pressure, soup. Put it here.
And then you press down on it.
Right next bar.
Okay.
You can't took it up.
Let's go. We can move. Don't laugh. No, don't laugh. Come. Hey, what you do, youth?
No. Well, I know.
No, we're not doing
Judge, them have the pen them underneath, and they don't have it at the sides.
Who did tell you said after the other side?
Yes, it have to be at
them
the
said we have to move.
It have to be at
Never. Do not break my team's focus. Referee never broke our focus. Guys, you see how far we got?
Team.
You see how far we got? We're going to get further. Don't worry.
Yep. We'll put it underneath.
Them not reach nowhere. No, are we next? Of course, them a copy the style.
No,
but they don't know the style. See, they're watching now.
Yeah.
Don't laugh next time.
Let's go.
Watch them. Is they all on top too, you know?
Let's go.
Casualist.
Hey!
No,
man. And catch it a while ago, Clive. Clive, and catch it a while. You see, we laugh and give them with style and then beat. Hey! I just want to say, Neville having said, it the underneath it. A while ago, it the underneath a cross over everywhere.
I just want to thank my parents.
We got it.
Cannot go underneath.
But a while ago, never gonna add 3 of them underneath. Come, keep going. Never you move the table. No, never you.
Hey!
I'm not afraid of tickle.
No, don't pay him no mind. Don't pay him no mind. You say no, you make never tickle.
I go like I'm not afraid of tickle. Come on, side man, side.
Because we don't cheat, we don't sabotage people.
Still on the cone? So where's the cone moving?
Exactly.
Watch out, the Anna touch the cone. The Anna, watch out.
But the cone, no, the cone moving and we're not stopping the
Ladies
cone.
and gentlemen,
No.
Team
The-
Optima!
All right, see it here now. See it here now. See it? Hold on, now where the cone gone? That's it. See it.
Well done, guys.
No, well, we get it all the way by this, so we win. We win.
Get it which one?
We get it all the way by
Well
here.
done, but you take away and stuff. Well done, Optima!
What's up?
Optima!
All right, that's it for the fun stuff. So,
But my team was supposed to introduce themselves after we win. You're terrible.
all right.
You are?
Kevani.
Kevani,
Jada.
Jada,
Hope.
Hope. No worry.
Uh,
Kevani, Jada, Hope. Team
I'm Neville. See me over here, sir? Yes, see me here. What's on come?
well done, guys.